To install Flax-PSX plugin, open your project. We're currently using Flax Engine version 1.12, master branch. Head to the plugin's GitHub page, link is provided in the description. Copy the page URL, then click Clone Project. Insert the page URL here. We now need to restart the editor. In the plugins dialog, we now see the plugin. Create an actor and call it whatever you want. I call it PSX rendering. Add the PSX SOT processing script. Adding the camera manually is optional, but I recommend doing so. Finally, add the PSX shader to the script. That's it. You may now play around with the settings and enjoy the PSX post-processing effects. For more beautiful effects like the mind-boggling vertex snapping, affine UVs and vertex lighting, use the materials provided with the plugin. That's it. Enjoy. You can follow me on Bluesky or check out my website acidicvoid.com. If you want to support me, you can do so via Patreon. Thanks a lot for considering and have a nice day.